how to make horizontal video vertical in CapCut PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will guide you that how can you make horizontal video vertical in CapCut PC. So let's get started. On this process, at first you will have to open CapCut application on your PC. Alright, after you open CapCut, from there you'll have to just open or select that video. And now to convert this video to vertical, you'll have to click on the aspect ratio option just at the below of that video at the top. So simply click on the option aspect ratio here. Alright, after you click on that aspect ratio, you'll be able to choose the aspect ratio for vertical. So for the vertical, there are a lot of aspect ratio like 9:16, 3:4, 5.8 inch or 1:1. So simply the perfect vertical ratio is 9:16. So simply click on that. Alright, after you click on that option, you will be able to make that horizontal video as your vertical in CapCut PC, and after you convert it, you can as usual click on the option export just at the top right, and after you click on that export option, you can easily export that vertical video on your PC. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.